How to use a signature guide.
So today I would like to show you how you can assist somebody in signing a document. This is an official signature guide where you can place it down where somebody needs to sign, and they'll be signing in the window here. Let's look at this.
All right. I'm going to line up the bottom left corner of the hole with the bottom left corner of the line. All right, it's ready for you.
Okay. All right. There we go.
Perfect.
Sign there. Now, if you do not have an official signature guide, or if the person that you're assisting doesn't carry one of these with them, don't worry. There's other options, and many options. You just look for something that's handy with a straight edge. So sometimes it's just a matter of using a business card. Maybe there's a stack of sticky notes handy, or even somebody's cell phone, right? So if you're using some other object to assist somebody in signing, first ask them, do you like to sign above or below? So you want to know where to line it up. Should you put your card like below the line, or should you put it above so that they're signing under the card? So my personal preference is to do under the card, but everybody has their own preference. We're going to use my phone to sign this document. So could you place my phone above where I need to sign and start it at the edge where
Sure.
I need to sign?
Absolutely. Okay, there you go.
Okay, start right here.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Here you go.